de volta. Vamos acompanhar o jogo. Esse jogo aqui é muito massa. Peço que vocês se inscrevam aí no canal. Essa fase aqui, é no meio da tempestade.
Zapped. They're acting funny. The lightning short-circuited those drones. How do you like that? Watch your tails, guys. Someone flew into the thunderclouds. Spare 15 has broken through the thunderclouds. Nice work for a dumbass. Strider 2, enemy behind you. Shit, this is bad. I wish I had some air-to-air missiles. Prioritize recon squadron survival. I repeat, your top priority is to come out safely, even if you die in the process. UAV splashed.
Rapaz, esse negócio aqui é brabo, cara. Tem tempestade de raio. É doido, cara. Moleque, a tempestade aqui é violenta e turbulência. Rapaz. Ui! Eita ferro. Que merda, velho. Eu vou atingir por um raio. Tá. De novo, cara. Missão falida. Cara, stand de hype que é difícil. Caraca, velho.
Calm down. Check your HUD for errors. You'll make it if you don't panic. Quit whining and finish them off. Dodge that missile. Strider 2, enemy behind you.
Shit, this is bad. I wish I had some air-to-air missiles.
Prioritize Con Squad survival. Repeat, your top priority is to get them out safely, even if you die in the process.
Strider 2 is hit!
Locked on target. Evading incoming missile. Missile in the air. Evading. Fox 3.
Break! It's all over me!
Maintain your element. Go at it in pairs.
Come on, break!
UAV splashed. Cyclops 2, evade that missile. Alright, good start. Now let's get the remaining 6 out of there. Cyclops 2, look behind you. Missile inbound. Evasive maneuvers. Break. Cyclops 2, missile inbound. 315 hit by lightning. Stay sharp in those clouds. Strider 4, bandit on your 6. Help by getting in between them and the UAVs.
They don't even
I don't even have time to check radar.
Cyclops 3,
It's
missile in
gonna
the
be a
air!
long way around those thunderclouds. All cowards, go hide in the thunderclouds like Trigger. Fox 3. Hostile behind me. Missile closing, breaking. Cyclops 3, watch your tail. Strider 4, missile inbound. Hostile has a lock. UAV down. They move pretty good for machines. Man Dog, there are still 5 aircraft in the combat zone. Missed target.
Evading!
Spare 15, Fox 3. Wiseman 444 squadron support incoming. Sorry, but I'm using this chance to break off. Jaeger, look after the survivors. Roger. Where to go?
Missile, don't let it touch you!
Bandit has a lock on me.
Hostile behind me!
This is bad. Fading fast. Quit scratching your ass and approach the enemy. Try to stop it.
Evade! Missile incoming!
Damn it, I've lost too much speed. Are you bastards flying just to waste fuel? Go to hell. Hit by lightning.
Enemy on me!
Cyclops 4, missile. If they are just decoys, there are too many. Radar confirms Spare 15 has come out of the clouds. Trigger just flew into a thundercloud without even blinking. Cyclops 3, evade that missile! Cyclops 3, evade! Missile incoming!
I'm hit! Yeah, I'm hanging in. I just hope I can hold out till help arrives.
Miss.
Visual on a 444 aircraft. Guess not all of them wet themselves on seeing thunderclouds.
What did you expect? UAV destroyed.
I owe you one.
Cyclops 4 has broken off. There you go. Things are looking up. Finally got some good guys in support. Looks like there's one guy who's got everyone's backs. Locked on, bandit. Cyclops 3, check your 6. Trigger's holding up, but we got our hands full.
I'm not stupid enough to fly into a thundercloud.
Swiftly. Watch your tails, guys.
Cyclops 3. One aircraft nearby from 444.
Our job is to watch the airspace. Yours is to get the hell out of there.
Got it.
Cyclops 3 has broken off. It's just me and one more to go. Spare 15. You're the only one earning any redemption today. Make sure the rest of them stay alive. You'll let the devil with 3 cent lines go free after that. You're in no position to call someone a devil, Count. Don't make me laugh.
Finally made it out of this group on? Are you sure?
Cyclops 2, hostile on your rear!
Not letting a damn robot shoot me down. Someone hurry up and rescue our
Parece, cara.
Cyclops 1 is hit!
I'm hit, but still functional. UAV splashed.
Caraca. Nossa, meu. Caraca, tá difícil aqui. Meio da tempestade.
Spare 15 launching missile. Cyclops 1 is breaking off. He could have broken off any time if he was by himself. Spare 15. All UAVs in the vicinity confirmed destroyed. Nice teamwork. Thanks.
Vou voar muito alto.
Who is that? Tell him I'm grateful. Copy that, Cyclops 1. Spare squadron. Mission is complete. Return to base. Wait a
Eita.
minute. Hold it. Oh, give me a break. You have more chores for us? Spare 8, champ. Bogey approaching fast from the rear. All available units support Spare 8. I don't need any support. This is all mine. Damn it. He's glued to my tail.
Ixi.
Still not firing. I ain't afraid of it. Spare 8, no dogfighting. Negative. I'm not letting this slide. Woohoo!
É o caça russo.
You could have done that sooner. I want to understand the enemy.
E ter que batalhar o.
Spare 10 lost. Another one. One recon aircraft lost. What's with this guy? That's an Su-30. All spare squadron aircraft provide support
É
for Cyclops and Spare. Keep
35.
the bandit off of them. Negative. That's not possible. Get in there with that monster, Spare 15. We're gonna lose more friendlies.
She told us to drop the gun. I'm going home.
Why some of 444's craft flying out of bounds?
Damn cowards bailing on us?
They just sent back the damaged craft. You guys we can use. Spare 15,
Nossa.
Spare 11. Form an element and take up the rear.
Tu é doido, cara.
Trigger's taking the beast head on. You two deal with support. So this is where Tabloid bows out. Shit. Roger that. Will do. Soul 2, Soul 3. They've got 2 rear guard. The better one's mine. Copy that, King. Don't call me that. Hands on my sights.
Eu subi bem alto pra escapar dos raios.
Soul 3, check your 6. Locked on, bandit.
Ele tá andando no meio do. Esse.
Nice. Bandit hit. Spare 15 got him.
Rapaz, o cara dá.
My status. Well, I'm getting a little excited.
Warning. Systems malfunction. Warning. Systems malfunction.
Enemy has a lock on you. Wiseman, you see that color? Wings flying? It's Mr. X for sure. Behind, they have a pilot of the experimental Spartan X plane.
Warning.
Wiseman, we don't want to mess with this guy.
Caraca, velho.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
Esse trovão aí.
Feedback filter damaged. Warning. Systems malfunction. Warning. Systems malfunction.
Go get him. Bandits in the clouds. Chase them down. You've got this.
Pressure warning.
Enemy's gonna look.
Alert. Systems failure. Alert. Systems failure.
Rapaz, o cara deu uma.
SO 2, my status is fine. Do not interfere. SO 1, the clouds are moving in. Let's return to base. Affirmative.
Acho, cadê o cara?
It is retreating. He managed to survive somehow.
Sumiu. Ah, o bicho.
Kindness gets you killed.
O caça bateu na montanha, parece.
Who's the guy who worked his ass off at the rear? The biggest dumbass in the unit. Makes sense.
Rapaz, que tempestade que eu peguei, gente.
I'll guide you back to Air Force Base 444.
Nossa, é brabo, cara.
Gas to make it. Appreciate the help. Will you be at the base? I wouldn't get involved if I were you. Runway is clear. You have permission to land. You made it this far. Don't screw up now. 3,000 meters.
Esse não é tempestade pesada, é essa aqui.
Speed. Lower your nose.
Isso aí, pessoal.
High. You're past the guidance limit. Make a visual landing. Nice job at not ruining a good play.
Eita,
Your work's still far
essa
from
missão
done.
aqui deu
Stand
trabalho,
by for
pessoal.
orders.
The crew said the enemy had one mean son of a bitch flying for him. Our team had a few Air Force hot dogs, real experienced pilots. But this guy swooped in like a hawk, locked on, and took them all out in the blink of an eye. Reminds me of a story Gramps told me once. He said a little while before he retired from active duty, he saw an enemy fighter wipe out an entire formation right in front of him. It was like seeing how a shark works when it's going after its dinner. This enemy pilot stalked Gramps' pals from below, just like how a shark would. Then one by one, he put the bite on them. Sounds like what happened to our guys today. Kinda surprised so many made it back alive. I bet when they saw what was going on, they broke formation and left their buddies to the shark. Hang on. There's 3 extra planes here.
Aí, pessoal.
They're foreigners too.
Aqui é o replay.
This mission needs to be quick. Target radar facilities and AA weaponry.
Vocês veem como é que é. 4.7.
A lot of cloud cover. You will be near thunderclouds. Man, you guys were born unlucky. Wait, who's the dumbass who came up with this batshit plan? Just obey orders. Air Force Base 444 Squadron, this is Cyclops 1. The Cyclops and Strider squadrons currently contain 7 aircraft. Stand by. We'll be arriving shortly. Understood. We're low on ammunition to take on hostiles. We'll have to rely on you guys to make it home. Cyclops 1, this is Bandog. We need the job done on time. Bandog? Cool name. Nice working with you, Mr. Guard Dog. The terrain makes the air airstream bumpy. Don't damage those planes.
Wind.
Locked on target. Target eliminated.
Wind. I can't fly straight.
Use the winds to guide you, amateurs. Missile. Enemy in gun range. Destruction of target facility is confirmed. They're flying between the columns.
Bom demais, pessoal. Essa missão aqui foi legal. Eu gosto de novo nome. Next mission.
I had a chance to talk to one of the pilots that escaped.
Vamos participando aí da
Apparently, two of our planes took
da
the
live.
down alone. They covered the Allies so they could retreat.
Quem quiser comentar sobre esse
How
jogo,
kind of idiot does a thing like that? The last pilot to land back at the base was that scrawny anarchist dude. He always had this dumb grin on his face, like he didn't give a damn about whatever he did to get thrown in here with the rest of us. Was he the one who went gung-ho?
será que é bombardeio agora?
After the usual small talk, I turned the topic around to the mission. For an anarchist, he struck me as a bit weird. Nothing like what I expected. He talked a mile a minute and kept going on and on about library books. Not encyclopedias, those cheesy adventure novels you read in high school. Nothing against those. I like a good story myself once in a while.
Deixa eu
I
pular,
wasn't here
que
to talk books.
a gente não quer saber de história. Deixa eu aqui. É isso aí, pessoal, vamos compartilhando aí a live, chame seus colegas.
Attention! If you disobeyed orders in the previous mission, line up over there. You won't disobey a second time. Do not test my patience. The biggest threat to our forces is the enemy's enormous swarm of drones. In order for our forces to penetrate deep into the enemy's fuel line, it's like you open faces.
A missão aqui é
You whose food privileges were taken away already know how this goes. We silence the drones by taking fuel.
deixa eu pular.
Enter via the exit.
Beleza. Isso aí, pessoal, compartilhando a live. Vamos iniciar aqui. Obter novo upgrade. Será que é para comprar um caça novo? Tô com 252 mil. 285.
Era bom tu ir num dia que vai correr, dessa vez só vai vir pra gravar nada. Não ir lá dar um rolê, ok?
Vou comprar esse caça aqui.
Eu gosto, sei lá.
Não queria comprar, pessoal, mas ele é bom de manobra. Caça russo. Acho que ele é da Rússia. Aquele daqui é desbloquear. Vou ter que comprar esse míssil aqui. E esse. Esse aqui já tem. Tem 173. Pera aí. MiG-29. Será que tem como mudar a camuflagem dele, pessoal? Eu queria mudar. Deixa eu ver.
Eu acho que é pra todo lugar que ele vai fazer.
Olha, isso aqui é o... Aqui é o míssil de cruzeiro.
Até que é bom, né?
Deixa eu ver. Select parte. Deixa eu ver o que é isso. Ah, será que é bom?
Tem que fazer alguma coisa, sua barriga aí só. Tem que parar de comer, não, quando a barriga estourar, aí vai ver
Convicts, stand by the front.
É isso aí, pessoal. Vamos iniciar aqui. Pipeline.
Olha, tem tu pega um copo de água aqui, uma colher de chá de mel, 2 colheres de chá de
Champ went down crying like a baby. I knew he was all bark and no bite. A coward. You don't want to talk, running off with your tail between your legs. I wasn't running away, I was retreating. Well, I can't say I blame you. It was hell out there. Not in the mood for shit today. I'm gonna blow stuff up, let off steam. Target in sight. I see a lot of oil tanks. Boats, all warships. There's plenty of buildings too. Destroy everything in sight. I appreciate the simplicity of the operation. Military. Anything like military? Damn, that's what I call fire.
Eita. Eu tenho que trocar de míssil, pessoal.
More bad news. The megastorm in Nessa 2.
Deixa eu... Vou ter que trocar de míssil. Aqui parece que é...
I had it.
Escolher aqui. Acho que aqui é pra comprar. F-104, será que é bombardeio? Não. F. Tem que usar esse modelo aqui.
Convicts, stand by at the front.
Tá aqui, pato. Tá sim. tempestade de areia. Ele some do radar.
That's a hell of a place to hide. Fox 2, Fox 2. Spare 2, count. Where the hell do you think you're going? Territory, return. Just following orders to Tanker truck destroyed. Make sure you wipe them all out. Eyes like a jackal, Trigger.
Got trailers full of fuel.
Trucks don't run on fuel. I heard diesel engines can quit and hunt down your trucks. Spare squadron, a new enemy is approaching. Bearing 350 from the reference point. They're coming from the north. Did they pick up Hunt's aircraft? Wait a sec, don't go blaming me. Fusion drones.
More UAVs? Why are they always after us?
The mission stays the same. Destroy the tankers. There's no way we can chase the damn tankers now. They're coming.
You're out of your goddamn mind.
A cat doesn't have enough lives to carry out your orders. Do your duty and take out the tankers. Tanker confirmed alive. Keep going. Burn it all. I heard drones can be hacked, so why aren't we doing that? Missile incoming! Evade!
Ah,
But there could be more hiding somewhere.
é difícil esse aqui. Cê é doido, cara. Acho difícil demais os caras seguindo nós no jogo aqui.
It looks like some oil tankers loaded with oil got away. Turns up. Why are they popping up on the radar? If you detect something, strike fast. Staring at the radar and trolling, this is not my style. Even in sand, you can lock on if you get close enough. Are you sure you can trust that intel?
Easy for you to say.
You guys do whatever you want. I'm going off by myself. Okay. Moving. Spare 15 locked.
Aê, moleque, consegui.
All aircraft return to base. Burning up all those tankers will starve their for a while.
Isso aí.
Stick with trigger and you'll make it.
Missão é difícil, hein, galera.
If you think that's all you need to survive, you might as well get your last rites now. Exactly, that was all dumb luck. Wait, you were in earshot, Count?
Must have been straining to hear from the altitude.
Isso, peço que o pessoal comenta aí o jogo.
Yeah, it's not like there's anything I can learn from trigger.
Dá uma comentada. Me ajuda aí. Compartilha.
Baby, I knew he was all bark and no bite. The coward. You don't want to talk, running off with your tail between your legs. I wasn't running away, I was retreating.
A parte mais difícil é essa aqui. Pular aqui. Vamos ver quem tá assistindo. Tem duas pessoas. Emblema.
It seems headquarters is starting to view some of you in the penal unit.
It's time to proceed with your mission now.
Outra missão. Missão no gelo.
That means no missiles. Even you lot should understand that. Talk about an enclosed space. What's more enclosed than solitary? Commence operation. You're in plain view, Spare 15. Get back to the clouds. That's your target radar. Destroy the anti-air weapon around it, too. What if the radar isn't under a cloud? Destroy it, and then scurry for cover if you value your life. I thought you'd say that. Destroy radar sites. You're still under satellite observation. Watch out for missiles. Feels like I'm being watched by a pack of band dogs. Their missiles are guided by combinations. So missiles should stop hitting their target. You sure you can trust that intel? Knows. Only one way out. Aliens.
Canal é baixo. Entendendo.
Cancel alert. Remember that satellite is up there. The clouds are blocking the satellite.
O canal é baixo nessa fase. Vou morrer.
The enemy is packing a lot of anti-air weaponry. I know. I can't focus on attacking like this.
tempestade aqui, né?
Bunch of intel. Full man, that's your second strike. There won't be a third.
Caution. Pull up. Missile.
Missile incoming. Spare 15. Evade.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
Trigger is down.
É, a parte é mais difícil. Deixar pra gravar na próxima, pessoal, que essa fase é difícil. Aqui o cara tem que andar rastejando no chão. Mas é isso aí, pessoal. Espero que vocês gostado do ACONTA. O ACONTA é bom demais de jogar. Encerrado